How to use Gemini Omni Flash. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Gemini Omni Flash. So let's get started. First of all, you could open any of the browser and go to the search bar, type in Gemini Omni Flash. So you're going to scroll down and search for this option of Gemini Omni. So simply click on this option. And over here, you're going to scroll down and click on Try Gemini Omni. Then you'll be redirected to another interface. When you scroll down, you'll be able to see some plans. So you can either have subscription of Google AI Ultra, Google AI Pro, Google AI Plus, or the free one. So we're going to go with free one. Click on Get Started button. So you'll be redirected to a prompt box that will ask you to describe your image. If you have upgraded your plan, you'll be able to generate videos. You can specify how many seconds of video you want, or you can also specify the rotation. And you're going to make sure that the model you have selected is Flash over here. And then you can simply describe your image that you want to do so. After typing down your prompt, you're going to simply press Submit and wait for it to create the image for you. Once the image is created, you'll be able to see Once the image is created, you'll be able to see a cinematic photo of whatever you describe.